Have you ever heard a ringing, buzzing, or hissing sound when no one else around you seems to notice it? If so, you might be experiencing something called tinnitus. Tinnitus is a condition where you hear sounds that aren't caused by anything external. Instead, the sound seems to come from inside your ears or your head. And it is not always just ringing, it can sound like buzzing, humming, clicking, or hissing sounds. Here are a few examples of what tinnitus might sound like. While tinnitus can feel unsettling, the good news is it's usually not a sign of anything serious. In many cases, it improves its own. Most of the time, tinnitus happens alongside hearing loss, but not always. Some people develop it even with normal hearing. Still, it can interfere with your daily life, making it harder to concentrate, relax, or get a good night's sleep. If your tinnitus is getting worse, or if it is affecting your mood, focus, or sleep, talk to a healthcare professional. They can help rule out things like earwax buildup, ear infections, or other hearing issues. One of the most common causes, loud noise exposure. Protecting your ears, especially in noisy environments, can help prevent or reduce symptoms. So if you are around loud music, machinery, or traffic noise, wear ear protection like earplugs or earmuffs. Tinnitus can be frustrating, but understanding it is the first step to managing it. If you are concerned, don't wait. Help is available and you don't have to face it alone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tinnitus related content. I will see you in the next video.